Okay, today being St. Paddy's Day, let's take a look at a new Zippo. Here's a few of my Zippos that have a green theme. Take a fast look at them. Lucky Clover, Green Alien, more Clover, and the Green Hand. So let's take a look at this new one I got that has nothing to do with St. Paddy's Day. Okay, this one comes in the normal Zippo black box, and the label reads the Mazzi Freedom Watch. And this is a fairly collectible Mazzi Zippo, and you can see it's the eagle and the flag, the eagle standing guard. You can see the Mazzi signature down there on the bottom. And this Zippo was made in J of 13, so it's only a few months old. Lights up just great. It's on a chrome body, pretty good sound. So that's another Mazzi Zippo with a Freedom theme. Put that right there for now. And yes, that Mazzi Zippo deserves some cowbell, but happy St. Paddy's Day to everybody. Knuckle bump.